Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Svenska Kokoa, Uganda, 72% chocolate. So here we go. Svenska Kakao, Uganda, bean to bar chocolate. This one 2020 harvest in Semuliki Forest. I wonder where that is. I have to Google Maps this place later, so I know where my food is coming from. It's very important. Okay, let's see. So, dark chocolate with fruit notes of banana, bread, orange and cinnamon. Is it banana bread or banana and bread and orange? I guess it's banana bread, but it doesn't really matter. Crafted from bean to bar. So an old Swedish schoolhouse turned to chocolate factory. That's good. Resourceful. Turn the schools to chocolate factory. And of course, vegan, gluten-free, no lecithin, no vanilla, sustainable and fair. It's very important to be fair. Look at this barcode. Damn, there's some art here. And yeah, 8 grams of protein per 100. And look at the sugar amount. Only 28. Normally it's like 50%, but this is 72% dark chocolate, so of course. But look at this packaging design. This is nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, what? Look at this. It's like the crystallized here. Nice. It's a little bit broken. I don't mind that. I think I made this myself. It's not the company's fault. And here we have some message from the company. There is no cow on the ice. So I guess there's no milk in this chocolate. I like milk chocolate, but dark chocolate also good. Bonus points for minimalistic packaging. Like, they didn't joke here when they said sustainable. Like, it's just piece of cardboard with small amount of plastic wrap. You need a small amount of plastic wrap to make it good. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Easily opens. Let's try to get this out in one piece, so I can take a nice thumbnail picture. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Nice. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Svenska Kakao, Uganda chocolate, tastes any good. Now the smell is really strong. I can smell it from far away. It's the classic dark chocolate smell, but a little bit of fruit. Somehow I smell the fruit, maybe like raisin inside. Like, yeah, it's a really strong smell. Interesting, exotic. Let's take a bite. Swedish chocolate. It's crunchy. It's hard. The banana is coming. Banana smell is coming instantly. The flavor of banana. Really fruity taste. Like, the dark chocolate, it's not as strong chocolate flavor as I would have imagined. They didn't lie when they said with fruity notes, with an orange and cinnamon. Like, yeah, it's really fruity chocolate. I like how it breaks between your teeth. Like, it's not like soft chocolate that just melts between your teeth. That's like the milk chocolate, but this dark chocolate, it's crunchy. It's better than other dark chocolate for sure, because they added the fruits there. Can you hear? So crunchy. Those Swedish guys really know how to make a good chocolate, I see. Congratulations to Sweden. Like, it's only 28 grams of sugar per 100, but still, it has the sweetness at least it's like illusion in your mouth. Like it's because they've added the fruits with the dark chocolate. Like if you wanna enjoy chocolate but also care about your waistline, get this dark chocolate. It's sweet. It doesn't taste like, sometimes, you know, when you take really dark chocolate, you like it, you know, it doesn't taste good. Like it makes this weird flavor in your mouth. Like, you know, dark chocolate, it doesn't actually taste good before you add milk or sugar. But somehow these Swedish guys, they managed to make dark chocolate taste good. Let's check out the ingredients first. So, cacao beans, of course, 72%, and may contain traces of nuts and milk. Okay, what else? Cane sugar. What is cane sugar? I guess it's like, not like the white sugar, but it's like coming from some plant. But sugar is coming from plants, so I don't know. It is a good. One of the best dark chocolate ever tasted. There's nothing wrong with this chocolate. It's great. Like, it has the place where they harvest the beans. That's good. Bonus points. Design. Good. Bonus points. Sustainable packaging. Bonus points for that. Taste. Bonus points. Crunchiness. Bonus points. The only thing that sucks about this, I mean, it's kind of expensive, but what do we expect from this kind of high quality product? So I'm gonna give this like 9 out of 10. It is a great chocolate. Swedish Svenska Kakao. Good chocolate company. Made in the old school building. Turned into chocolate factory. Great. Thank you, Swedish people. Much love coming from Finland. And I hope to sample some of your chocolates even more. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and follow me on social medias, links below. Thanks for watching. By the way, do you like my Pepsodent Xylitol army hat? Xylitol army all the way, let's go.